Hey, Dad. Look, it's a lion. Lion and tiger.
Who is it?
Who's that Indian in my GP? It's me.
No.
It's me.
Aww. I'm the only one left all by myself.
Don't wanna be
all by myself. Don't. Okay, how do I clear it?
It's called eraser.
Oh, wait a second. It's hot outside. Sun, sun.
But it's raining
sun.
too.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Have you been outside today?
Yes, I had class.
It's raining.
Yeah.
Did you get caught up in the traffic? Or were you looking?
Which traffic? Erday. Oh.
Do you need a butt massage, Jessie?
Ew. Hello.
Not an anal
Who are
massage.
you?
A butt muscle massage.
Erase.
There's a difference.
Oh, there you are.
It's me. It's
Hi. It's Emily. It's Emily. Hi, Emily.
Hi. Hi, Emily. Hi, Nicolle. Hi, Michele. Hi, Jessie. Say hi. Hello. Two.
Whoa. That was cool. That was cool.
I didn't see it.
Whoa.
What? Blackout.
Woo!
Kicked.
Woo! Strobe light. Raven. That's not so Raven.
I want to black out my whip.
That would work. I got pulled over by a cop yesterday.
Again.
I never got pulled over. This is my first
You
time.
got another ticket.
I got a ticket for speeding
She was
on my way to school.
She was taking a ride on her big green tractor.
I was listening to a song by Jason Aldean called Big Green Tractor, and I hadn't heard it for a while, and I was getting really into it, and I was like,
You can take a
ride on my big green tractor, we can go slow or make it go faster as long as
green.
down through the hills and out
Are you
through
dumb?
the. I said green. What am I saying?
No, you hit the green
you
button.
stupid.
That'd be cool.
Oh, green.
Yeah, you ruined the moment.
Big green tractor. Big green tractor.
As long. That was
Big
white. Green tractor, long as I'm with you, I don't really matter. Okay, I'm trying. It's hard.
Draw a tractor. Draw a tractor. Draw a
I was singing to that song, and I was getting really into it on my way to class. And then all of a sudden, I look in the rearview mirror, and there is a man.
I've never got pulled over before because I'm an excellent driver.
There is a man behind me on a motorcycle, and
Don't ever
he
say that. Don't.
wanted me to
It's
pull
only when
over.
you say I jinxed myself.
Really?
He wanted me to pull
Yes.
over.
You just jinxed yourself. And then I see Katrina in my Del Taco shirt.
This is a
I
tractor.
totally hate you.
And I was just like, I'm running late.
Bigger.
Ow, just hit the.
Bigger and faster.
And I was like, I'm
Better
running
be
late for
careful.
class. And he was like going all slow. Light felt that was he was going all slow to go get the ticket and to process it and all that stupid stuff. And then, so now I just have to wait to see how much it's for. But I was really upset. What a jerk. What a
Nicole has a
jerk.
job now.
Doing what?
You know.
Working the corners. Oh!
You get paid big bucks.
Hey, leave her alone. She makes big money.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Spaceship!
3, 2, 1, 4.